Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Stella Aquino, half French, half Filipina. In the last video, I showed you all about Boracay and what we did with my family. In this video, I'll take you with us on our sunset sailing. Here are the koi carps from the hotel, and we were talking to a caretaker here feeding the fish. He said that some of them were 17 years old. So can you imagine how old these fish are? Fish or fishes? He was feeding them. So yeah, I think they have a pretty good life. I'm just wondering if the size of this little pond is big enough for them. But they seem to be pretty active and looked happy, I guess. Here we are at Jonas Fruit Shakes, our usual hangout place, with these stunning views. After this, we actually waited a little bit just before sunset time and went directly to the boat areas. And that's where we asked for the boat owner or captain who was there to take us.
Oui. Trop bien, ouais. Bientôt j'aurai plus de place sur le parc.
Je pense que quand on va rentrer, c'est là. À l'hôtel, il y aura le sunset.
Bah oui, ah ouais. Il est quelle heure? Ça a duré combien de temps cette histoire?
6h18.
Pas très long. We're already back.
Les explications de texte. Infinity.
Reversing. Joy. You will be on my video. We arrived.
Oh, like this. Okay, yes, I will take this one. It's okay?
Oh. Thank you. Ah. My bye. Thank you. Bye. Oh. For the drinks.
I already have this and the service. There's pineapple inside. You have a full garlic clove. Il y a beaucoup trop d'oignons.
Le design. Who is painting?
We have 11 local artists.
11. Wow.
Local artists.
Because you have the name of the you have the name here. No.
Nice.
Ça c'est là, c'est le seul qui me va.
Ah oui.
Le taille.
We bought it. Quite far today. Following him.
The luggage here?
Yes. This... Il arrive en speed. Hein?
You two have the
Thank you. Hello. Thank you. Hello.
Time to leave Boracay. And we got the speedboat, which was arranged by the hotel. And you can see here the water is really clear. So yeah.
Mais c'est bien qu'il fasse pas soleil aujourd'hui.
Once you arrive here at the other port, you then get another little transport to the airport, which is really close by, and you just wait for your flight there.
Ils le verront. Thank you. Thank you.
Meron po ng lunch, ma'am.
No, this one, black back, this one, the backpacker. Thank you.
Améliorer l'image après ou pas?
Mais j'édite pas trop quand je fais long form.